WOLF stock analysis and WOLF stock prediction for Monday. Is Wolf stock a buy? This is going to be my exact play for upcoming next week and onward. I'm the only guy in this page that's done 43,000 videos. It's taken me 5 years and documented them all on my YouTube channel. No one else has done it. And plus, I'm showing you what's working and making money. With Wolfspeed, it's a bearish market. Especially here, like, I'm not even trying to play the smart guy. Yes, my bias was bearish, but I never took that short because no rules exactly got met. But I can tell you, like, with freaking proof and demonstration that I began making videos when it was 10 bucks for exactly that reason. To hopefully take it down. It was 10.06. 7 months back, and since then, bro, it's been like a whole way down. This is like even last year, and it just keeps melting. You know what I mean? Now, unless there's a big catalyst or a proper push above 426, I don't care about bullishness. And if you want to stay tuned with Wolf and want to get free money-making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.